Today we're going to be repurposing our wide form content for Reels and TikTok in vertical content using Smart Conform in Final Cut Pro. We're going to start off by going to our project and making sure it's open. Then we're going to go to Project and right click and hit Duplicate Project As. In the drop-down window, we're going to select the video format from the wide format of 1080p or 4K to the vertical. You can also make squares out of this. Once that's clicked, click Smart Conform, which is going to be right next to it on the right-hand side. And then we're going to rename the project. Then click OK. And Final Cut will analyze all the clips in that particular sequence. If there's a sequence or video in the sequence that is not able to be conformed, it'll give you a pop-up notification saying that it wasn't able to conform. Just click OK and we will do that in a bit. Scroll through your video and make sure everything is okay. If you don't like the way something is laid out, you can always click on the clip, go up to transform and reframe it. In the case of a video not being transformed at all and left in its wide form content, click on the video, go to crop, and then we can crop the video in its native vertical format. Once you're happy with the video, export it and upload it to your favorite site. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.